Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 94th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use line 2 and move to method in canvas tag. We'll start with doctype HTML tag, body tag, canvas ID equals to my canvas width equals to 200, height equals to 100 pixels, style equals to border 1 pixel, dotted red. Now we'll end canvas tag. Now script type equals to text JavaScript language equals to JavaScript. Now variant a equals to document dot get element by id. My canvas get context 20 here dot move to line 2 200 and 100. Zero and 100. Now we'll copy the same line and paste it in the next line. Line 2 move to. Now once again line 2, 250. Now move to. Now line 2, now stroke, script tag, body tag, and HTML tag. Now we'll just save it as 94 with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder and 93rd program, sorry 94th. So this is our basic output of 94th program. How to use line 2 and move to method in canvas, and don't forget to check the tags in description for the clear and basic output and understanding.